this dark blue and dots.
Exploring Abstraction course is a great opportunity for students to experience a variety of unconventional materials and ways to use them. As part of the course, we look at the history of abstract painting and analyse some of the techniques and strategies used. We explore different surfaces to work on and ways to prepare them for a successful outcome. Students learn how to combine such materials as ink, oil and spray paint to create an illusionary spatial depth and vibrancy of colour. I always really enjoy the course because it's fascinating to see what students come up with. With the freedom to create, explore and combine materials, it seems to be very liberating.